So a lot of people say to me, what's this going to cost? Obviously, it's newer technology, but I wouldn't say don't use the word cost. Think of the word investment, right? You're going to invest in your home. You're going to invest in upgrading something in your home that's going to be there for 20 years. Now that it's newer technology, it's cleaner for the environment. It's going to be a little bit more expensive than your traditional units that you could have bought up until the last couple of years. But I'm telling people, think of it as an investment. Every month, this higher efficient system is going to save you money on your utility bill, which means you keep that money in your pocket and you can invest that in something else. And at the same time, it's better for the environment. Plan for the upgrades now, right? This is going to be an investment. It's going to be an investment in an energy efficient system. And when you make that investment, you also want to make sure that you're working with an HVAC professional who is knowledgeable on this new refrigerant and is up to date on the standards.